Your 5.4-liter Triton V8 sounds completely strangled from the factory. Aw, and that engine has way more character than stock ever lets out. The right exhaust unlocks that deep V8 rumble and adds real power. All links are in the video description. Let's count down the 8 best options. Starting at number 8, the Flowmaster FlowFX runs 3-inch stainless into a straight-through muffler with dual 2.5-inch tailpipes and 4.5-inch black ceramic tips exiting behind the rear tires. Deep, moderately aggressive tone. Let's fire it up. At number 7, the AFE Power Rebel series runs 3-inch into dual 2.5-inch mandrel bent stainless with a free-flowing muffler, dual 3.5-inch black laser-etched middle side exit tips, and dyno-proven gains of 8 horsepower and 13 foot-pounds of torque. Let's wake the neighbors. Number 6. The MagnaFlow dual exit is CNC robotically built in the USA from corrosion-resistant stainless steel and delivers that iconic MagnaFlow performance tone with comfortable interior levels. Let's hear that beast. At number 5, the AFE Power MACH Force XP packs 3-inch mandrel bent 409 stainless, a free-flowing straight-through muffler, and the biggest gains on this list. Dyno-proven 19 horsepower and 36 foot-pounds of torque. Let's get loud. Number 4. The Flowmaster American Thunder runs Super 40 Series muffler through mandrel bent stainless tubing with dual 2.5-inch tailpipes and 3-inch polished tips. Configurable dual rear or dual side exit. Deep aggressive exterior with moderate interior tone. Lifetime limited warranty. Let's unleash it. At number 3, the Flowmaster Outlaw is the loudest Flowmaster on this list. Super 10 Series muffler, all mandrel bent stainless, dual 3-inch tailpipes with 4-inch black ceramic double wall tips, maximum sound both inside and outside the cab, configurable dual rear or side exit. Let's drop the hammer. Number 2. The MagnaFlow single exit is CNC robotically built in the USA, 3D scanned for perfect fitment. 3-inch straight-through stainless into a single passenger side, 4-inch double wall polished welded tip, iconic MagnaFlow throaty tone, moderate interior, dyno-proven performance. Let's set it off. And at number 1, the MBRP Installer Series delivers a rich mellow exhaust note, mirror-polished T304 stainless tip, bolt-on no-weld install using OEM hangers, potential fuel economy improvement of 1 to 2 miles per gallon, and boosted torque and horsepower, backed by an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Let's send it. Eight exhausts for the 5.4-liter Triton, from mild street rumble to full aggressive V8 Thunder. Every link is in the video description. Go grab your pick. If this helped, smash that subscribe button. More F-150 content is on the way.